Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. We're going to assemble Divan bed base. What I want to do now is to show you how to set this up. This bed comes with 8 casters. So you put 4 caster in one section of the bed and another 4 in the other. Position the 4 wheels or caster if you like, and after that the next thing we did is we screwed in the headboard to the main base and fix the headboard. If you watch the full video, you will see how we set this up. Very much happy with it and it deserves your attention. So if you watch the full video, you see how we set up the base. Very much happy with it. We like the quality, the solid and sturdy. This bed also got 2 drawers. From the video, you see how we opened it. There are 2 hooks you use to open the drawers. Another thing you need to do is make sure you position the drawer. This is the setup of this bed and it deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you. So guys, I want to explain to you what we did. We put 4 casters on each base. The caster goes in here, 4 of those. Then on this end, so we put this board on the headboard and screw it up. So this screw will need to go in here. So basically this is how to install it. So we got 2 drawers on this bed. So now we're going to put this together so that you can see it. So what you gotta do is just need to slide it in. Just be careful. Then tighten it up. Need to tighten it. Thank you very much.